Hi guys, welcome back to with me Aji in this channel Semua Bisa. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download video from Instagram quickly and easily. So before watching this video, please subscribe this channel so you don't fall behind when I upload video like this later. In this video, we don't use third-party apps, only use the Instagram and Google Chrome apps. So, the first, open your Instagram, find the video what you want and open it. And by the way, this is a video from Indonesia. Then you click 3 point here and you select copy link. Second, go to Google Chrome, type in the URL save from. Then select this one, press and hold in this column and paste. Then the search engine will automatically work. After the video appears like this, all you have to do is click download. If directed to another site or application, you return to the main site earlier. Then here you click 3 point and click download. Well, the download process is already running and we just wait. Okay, the download is complete, let's open it. Well, we have managed to save this video in the smartphone gallery, so you can watch this video on the smartphone gallery. It might to be enough until here. If there are weakness or straightness, I apologize. Maintaining clearness, frequent hand washing. Hopefully this pandemic will soon be over. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.